say, if I just put myself in the position of a new mortgage provider and I had to, I mean, I just think about all the things that I would need to learn at the rate that I would need to learn them. What are the steps? What are the disclosures? How do I overcome these objections? There's just so much to learn. So think about that in the day of a life of a new agent and how they become successful. And so again, the whole idea here is that what you want to be doing is bumping the agent at the right time with the right information. And for a new agent, that's going to be very, very important, especially for the business. So if you think about it, yes, if I mess up a rebuttal, I lose a sale. We don't want that to happen. But if I mess up a disclosure, that's actually a compliance risk. And that's something we just can't have. And so even just the basic things like making sure that I'm reading the proper disclosures at the right time during the process is incredibly beneficial to the organization, to the customer, to everybody involved. Am I going to remember all those easily on day one? The answer is probably not. So again, having that information come to me in real time at the right time so that I actually make sure that I stay compliant, say that our organization stays compliant, that I give my information, my customer the right transparent information. That's the way that we want to behave, and that's where technology can certainly help. But as you kind of lean into that a little bit, what you're going to find is more tenured agents are not going to be in that boat, right? More tenured agents have learned those things, they understand those things, more comfortable. But the fact is that you are in an ever-changing environment. So disclosures change, objections change. So again, an objection when rates were 3.1 versus an objection when they're 6.5, that's going to sound really different. And the way that you work customers through those things is going to change a lot. So even tenured agents are every now and then going to need information that helps them understand how to take on these new challenges, continue to be a high performer, and continue to succeed in their role. And again, all of that being informed by post-call analytics. So in other words, we see these new objections, we get our handle on it right away, we come up with really good rebuttals, we test those rebuttals, we watch the results, as it's coming through in real time, and we can quickly know which rebuttals are working and which ones actually get us to the outcomes we want. And again, it's that quick marriage between post-call and real time that whether you're a brand new agent just getting through the strokes, or you're a tenured agent that's dealing with changes in your business or the marketplace or your borrowers, that helps you actually move through that and stay effective or be more effective.